Okay, this is a movie being shot right now.
You gonna come outside?
And this is a record for Houston. This is an actual snowfall, the earliest on record since they've been keeping records in 1889.
Oh, it's
You can see
look how big the
the
flakes
accumulation right now, and this is only an hour into it. There's a good chance that we'll have 2 to 4 inches of snow before it's all done. You can see that it is accumulating. The temperature is dropping. It's about 35 degrees outside right
Look
now.
at the palm trees with the snow on.
Yeah, you can see the palm trees off in the distance with snow on them. And this is a winter wonderland. This is a historical first.